Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called the Blue and White Chinoiserie. Now today I have two surprises for you. I have set the table for 4 and also the table for 2. Now this beautiful floral arrangement I place in this gorgeous vase that I thrifted at the Salvation Army. Now this Blue and White Chinoiserie is a close collaboration and an open invite at the same time. 12 of us will be bringing you an idea and inspiration on how to decorate a blue and white tablescape at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So here I am decorating in my enclosed porch a table for 4, and I've started out with those beautiful mirror chargers that I thrifted at the Salvation Army. Now I'll go ahead and name the participants in this collab. Glamour Ellen, Luxury Living with N, Danielle the Domestic Scientist, Cell Lambert, Denise Glam Style Living, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, Miriam Creative Corner. We also have Sasu Glam Style, Design and Entertaining, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Amethyst Adventures, and Carole Reames. I will be listing all of the participants and their channel links down below in the description box. I also will be listing the playlist, so make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to everyone's channel, and then head on over to that playlist so that you can see how we all decorate in blue and white. So if we head on back to the table, you're going to see that I started out with a white tablecloth, and that I got at the Goodwill. Now, the royal blue glitter runner that you see on that table, I purchased that at Hobby Lobby. Now, those dishes are absolutely gorgeous, and those I thrifted at the Salvation Army, and they were a full set. Okay, so I decided to use those white cloth napkins, and those I thrifted at the Salvation Army. I purchased the lace rounds from the Dollar Tree and wrapping them in what I'm calling a napkin skirt, and that I purchased also at the Dollar Tree. Now the napkin rings for the other 2 pieces, I went ahead and DIY'd. I also placed a blue bow tie on both of those napkins, and they came out absolutely beautiful. Now the Dollar Tree is also carrying these beautiful set of 3 napkins with the utensils already in the sleeve. That's what we're using to set this tablescape. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. And make sure and click that like button, because every time you do, you help YouTube to notice me just a little bit more, and that helps me to grow. Also, remember to comment below because I would love to hear from you. So now moving over to the glassware. 2 of the wine glasses were purchased at the Dollar Tree, and then the other 2 were thrifted. Now the blue water glasses were thrifted at the Salvation Army, and the clear water glasses were thrifted at the Goodwill. Now the details to the open invite is for July 17 at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can find this information in my community tab. Now I'm also going to attach the thumbnail to the end of this video. Now here I put a little small arrangement together with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. we are lighting the candles, and we're almost ready for reveal number 1. And then I am so excited for you to see reveal number 2. Now here we'll be lighting the candles, setting the mood, nice and romantic, and I'm really excited about it. Let's head on over to reveal number 1. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the Glam Squad for hosting this collab along with all of the participants. These are all beautiful women, great creators, and I cannot wait for you to see each and every one of their videos. I'm absolutely loving the blue and white. I think it's very romantic. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this table. Beautiful table for 4. We're all done. Let's head on over to reveal number 2. Now this table setting for 2 is indoors, set up slightly different, but absolutely gorgeous. Now, I do hope that you enjoyed both of these reveals. I really enjoyed putting this video together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. And make sure and head on over to that playlist and show everyone some support. Have an amazing day.